here we need to find the value of x. Now here this is actually simple one, not only x we need to find here. So this is alternate angle, right? This line, this line parallel to this line, right? So that's why if this is 40, this also should be 40. That means alternate angle, right? Alternate angle. Here I could mark here 40, right? I will mark as 40 here. This should be 40 because alternate angle, like is that like this way, this two we have learned. If this is 40, this is also 40. And not only that, this is BC and CD equal, no? They tell putting this sign, that means these two equal. That means isosceles triangle, right? Like this way, if you have isosceles triangle in front of equal side, this angle also should be equal. That's the thing we have learned, right? This side in front of angle is this one. What the angle now I mark here 40, and this side opposite angle is this one. That means here also these two must be equal. That means here should be 40, right? It should be 40. Okay, then after, when we consider BCD triangle, we can tell 40 plus 50 plus x. Here this complete angle we can think as 50 plus x. This must be add up to 180. This is a complete one angle, no? This one may complete one angle, no? So that's why we can think this angle size 50 plus x. So I can write 50 plus x plus 40 plus this angle 40 should be 180. So if you slow this, you can get the answer here. Here should be, okay, I will write 50 plus x. No, it's okay. I will add this all three together. Here 40 plus 40 mean 80, 80 plus 50 mean 130. So x plus 130 equal 180. So now what I need to do? 130 bring to here. So very simple, right? X equal 50 degrees. So that's the answer for x.